All right. So in Sanya's case, our whole family has been, closely involved in shaping her career, and I know that you are very close to your family, and both of you are very close to your families. So I just want to know how important Salman you think is having family support and stuff to be as famous and as successful as both of you are today.
I think it's like the most important thing. Most important thing is if you have a family that's supporting you, it's sone pe suhaga. There are some families that the parents don't support their children, but then those kids have it in them, to prove the parents wrong. Like first there used to be um, some kids used to want to be actors, and parents used to say कि पढ़ लिख ले यहाँ पे कुछ होने जाने वाला है नहीं. Then they become actors and they're successful. First, the film industry was considered taboo, and a lot of youngsters who've left their homes and come and they've made it in the film industry. But I think it's just the worry of the parents के मेरे बच्चे का एंड में जाके होगा क्या. जैसे जैसे क्रिकेट के ऊपर क्या दिन भर यार दिन भर ये क्रिकेट खेलते रहता है और वो बन गया सचिन तेंदुलकर. बोला कि फास्ट गाड़ी चलाता है क्या कर रहा है वो बन गया शूमाकर बन गया. So those sports today have your hobbies, those sports have become professions today. And if you dedicated, and there's no better profession than your hobby. If you can change your hobby into your profession, there's nothing better than that.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, I don't think I could have done anything without my parents, even host this press conference. So I mean, I've done everything with them, and they've been with me throughout ups and downs. And I know how close you are to your family as well. I have the privilege of knowing them also very well, and yeah, I think the way that they have supported you and all your siblings, and the way my family has worked, that's a kind of common ground that we find maybe in our
Yes, yes, 100%, 100%. I totally agree with this. And I know that she's really close to her family, like the way we are with our family. So most of my personality is bits and pieces of my brothers, my sisters, my father, my mother, what all I've heard, some friends of mine. It's just that you get to see that, you know, whatever happens in the house, whatever jokes are there, I can use the platform of, this platform or movies or TV, and you will see that Salman Khan. But that Salman Khan is incomplete without a Sohail Khan, Arbaz Khan, Arpita Khan, Alvira Khan, Salim Khan, Salma Khan. There is no personality to Salman Khan if these people were not there in his life.